Hello, trading is closed on July 29th, 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. My call from yesterday said if we had a gap over this high, which we did, that the rally could continue, which it did. During the day, mejt gave a few signals early on that said there was a buy, and that worked. In the afternoon, it said ultimately higher prices would print, which they did. All these F's mean that these whipsaws were signaled as false moves. We don't have any new signal for tomorrow, leaving us to fend for ourselves. We came awfully close to a 2111.48 unfilled target. Normally when we come this close, it's a good bet it'll print, but that's not true here because we're so close to the all-time highs, and that is where failures can occur. Anyone who thinks it's going to be all sweetness and light from here on in should have a look at this chart. This is the percentage of stocks with favorable patterns. We're down to close to 50%. It has not moved up at all during the rally of this week. Not a good sign. I have made one change. I've had to redraw this trend line. If three trend lines break in the fan, then the party's over. These all lie on the same line with this, so I'm going to redraw the line from here to here. Well, how about tomorrow? It's pretty good when you gap up and rally all day long, but it's not so good when you can't close over the middle of the day high and leave all these highs over here and you can't close over them. All that negativity would be erased if we were to promptly go over this high, but it would be negative in spades if we were to gap down instead. So what are the chances of that happening? Well, this is a 30-minute chart. We have rallied to resistance from the lows of the prior consolidation. A lot of times when you have a straight line move to but not through resistance, resistance can hold. On the 30-minute chart, we have bar 13 of a sell signal of the combo variety from Tom DeMark. Not good. In alignment, we have a 9, 13, 9 combo and sequential sell signal on the 15-minute chart. This is again fan line 1 by 2 gets hit right at today's high. So we have a rally right up to strong resistance. I think it's unlikely we're going to go much further on the upside, at least on a closing basis. It's possible today's high was it for the move. If that's not it, I don't think we'll have to wait too much longer for a very big drop down. Let's not forget we have a sell signal on the monthly chart, and the month's almost up, and those monthly sell signals tend to work. They just don't work as fast as you want them to every time. So for tomorrow, I'm looking for a high around current prices. On the closing basis at least, I don't think we're going too much higher, and if there is a gap down tomorrow, it could be real trouble. And that is today's call.